Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. I'm excited to tell you about our pattern Open Wide 2.0. Open Wide 2.0 is an update of the original Open Wide pattern, which was first released in 2016. The new 2.0 version incorporates several changes to the bag's design and, just like a new edition of a textbook, features improved layout and design, easier to follow instructions and diagrams, and our newest and best techniques. You will love this new version. The Open Wide 2.0 pattern includes instructions for bags in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. Each bag features a triangular shape and a flat bottom so they can stand on a counter. They also have an easy-to-open top, which opens wide, making it easy to see and access everything inside. Inside, you'll find 2 mesh pockets for keeping your items organized and easy to view. The top seals with a zipper so that all your items are safe and secure. For easy closing, hold the convenient handle created by the binding. Then tuck away the end of the zipper for a neat, clean look. When not in use, the bags will easily fold flat or nest inside each other for storage. You will find so many uses for these handy bags. This set is perfect to organize and store my makeup and toiletries. It maximizes space in the bathroom and corrals everything easily when I travel. I can just slip the bags into my beautiful coordinating ultimate travel bag for easy access to everything I might need on my next trip. I might reserve one of the bags or make an extra to carry my chargers and cords. It's always nice to have those handy and organized when I travel. I can use this set for my sewing supplies. The small bag will hold my small scissors, rotary cutter, seam ripper, chalk markers, and more. I'll use the medium bag for my thread. Even cones will fit easily, and everything is so easy to see. My travel iron, fabrics, and other supplies will fit perfectly in the large bag. Everything will be organized and easy to access at home or on the road. I made this set for my friend who is an artist. She can use it to hold paints, markers, colored pencils, sketchbooks, and more. I think she'll love it. This cute set will be a perfect gift for the next baby shower I attend. Any parent would appreciate being able to carry diapers, clothes, toys, and more in these sweet bags. I've recently rekindled my interest in crocheting, and this set will be perfect for holding my new projects. The small size will work well to hold crochet hooks and scissors. I'll use the medium and large to hold my yarn, pearl cotton, and projects in process. You're sure to find lots of ways to use Open Wide 2.0 bags as well. From makeup and toiletries to sewing and art supplies, these handy zippered bags will control the clutter and provide easy access to everything inside. As with all ByAnnie patterns, Open Wide 2.0 includes complete step-by-step instructions, along with lots of helpful illustrations. You'll love the bulleted checkboxes by each step that help you keep track of where you are in the process. We've also filmed an add-on video to assist you with the project. This video series will help you with these steps: an overview of the project, attaching and binding the ends of the bag, attaching the zipper, and binding the zipper and attaching the zipper tab. Please note that the add-on video doesn't replace the pattern. Rather, it enhances your sewing experience, ensuring that you are successful and teaching you our best techniques. The clear and complete pattern instructions combined with the add-on video make Open Wide 2.0 a pattern that can be accomplished by all levels of makers. Makers will need skills for careful marking and cutting and for sewing accurate seams. Some experience with my patterns and terminology is always helpful. The project is very straightforward, and if you need help, the add-on video and other video tutorials at ByAnnie.com will walk you step by step through the more unique or challenging aspects. I know that you'll enjoy making your own Open Wide 2.0 bags too, and that you'll find many uses for them. Please check out our Open Wide 2.0 A Closer Look video for additional info about gathering supplies for your project. We can't wait to see what you make, so be sure to share pictures of your finished projects with us. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube by using @PatternsByAnnie. You may also email photos to us at marketing@ByAnnie.com. Thanks so much for watching. Happy stitching!